Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming activation lock on the iPhone 6 before any removal. Open Settings and tap your name to see if the device lists activation lock. Alternatively, sign into iCloud. Com from a computer and check Find My iPhone for the device. Ensure the iPhone has more than 20% charge and connects to stable Wi-Fi before proceeding. Gather the Apple ID email and password now so you can sign out easily. If you do not have credentials, stop and follow recovery steps first. To remove the Apple ID, directly open Settings and tap the account name. Choose Sign Out at the bottom of the account screen and enter the Apple ID password when prompted. This action disables Find My iPhone and removes the activation lock tied to that Apple ID. After successful sign out, navigate to Settings, General, Reset, and erase all content and settings to factory. Reset the device. Wait for the erase and setup screens to confirm the Apple ID has been removed. If you forgot the Apple ID, start account recovery at iForget. Apple.com for password help. Use the registered email or phone to receive reset instructions and follow the prompts carefully. If recovery fails, contact Apple support and prepare original proof of purchase as a PDF or photo. Note that a DFU restore or device wipe does not remove activation lock without the Apple ID credentials. Apple support can evaluate proof and may remove activation lock after verifying ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.